Hello everyone, this is Rushikesh. Today I'll be presenting an experience which I have developed using Unity and Sense XR SDK. In this experience, using the buttons on the left side of the screen, you can experience different animations for every different animal. Here you can switch animals using the next and previous buttons. You can have them attack. You can also have them run. Or you can have them display their idle animations while they do nothing. So here I have a lion, a bear, you can see the running animation of the bear here. Also you can zoom in using this button, you can see it clearly. I just go to the next one, so you can see the bee over here. So this is the attack animation, this is the flying animation, this is the idle animation. Next we have a giraffe over here. So the giraffe is a bit taller than the sphere, so this is the attack animation of the giraffe. That was the run, and this is the idle animation. You can zoom in, but it goes out of the camera. So this is it, and I hope you like it.